Hey guys, welcome to Code Developer, and today we will be learn how to install and download and install VS Code in your system. So please like and subscribe this channel because this channel will be gem for your career. Okay, so please subscribe and like, and also you can share this channel. So let's start. So just search VS Code, like this VS Code, and Visual Studios Code. You can get it here, and like you can also, if you have a window, you can download this one. If you have Mac OS, you can download it. Okay, so it's not a big deal. You can uh, download Windows, Mac, everywhere whatever you want. So after that, you go to Windows, and then I have Windows, so I go to Windows, and then you can just download this button. Just click this button, download, and yeah, download. Okay, now just click the download button. So now you can see the animation, and yeah, it's downloading. Okay, you can see my history. Okay, it's downloading. It's taking some time. Uh, it's very easy. Like, yeah, just wait. Yeah, yeah, it's depend on your your system network, and also your system, like uh so so for this time I'm saying you please like and subscribe. So just wait. It's taking some time, no problem, guys. uh just chill and relax. Okay, I will be fast forward this scenes, so no problem. Yeah, okay. Now you can see it's download here. Okay, you can see here also it's download. Okay, it's download. So just go to your file manager and go to download. You can see it's VS Code. Okay, so yeah, you just first double click here, and you can see here, just accept the agreement and next. Then okay, you can register code, it will be also be ticked, and then open with file content action window explorer, and open with, yeah, you just click, like, see, if you don't tick this mark, add open with code. Okay, open with code, these two button, window explorer, file context menu, and explorer directory content menu, just click this because like it's a very beneficial for you. So just tick, and I will be next explain you. Then next, then install it. Okay, so it's taking some time, depend on your system, RAM. It's not a big deal. So just wait for like 30 seconds, no problem. And then yeah, it's finished. So now just click on finish. Yeah, it's opening. You can see it's open my VS Code. Easy, guys. It's very easy. And then I can say you, like, go to open folder, like here, and after it, if you want to run C, C++, Java, or HTML, CSS, anything else, first you need to go to extension. Okay. Oh, before it, I want to say, like, go to open folder, then go to everywhere, whatever your project is saved. Like, I go to desktop and create a new folder called uh, tutorial. Okay, I just name it tutor, and then just select folder. Okay, setup, and then you just click here. Okay, wait, guys. Just click here. You can create file from here. Like, if I want to make a index file, like index.html file, so I just create index.html. This is for HTML code. Okay, so here you can write HTML code, and this is for folder. Okay, I can write here index. It's a folder name. Okay, if I click here and write index.html, so see, it's not, nothing happened. Dot extension is not work because it's a folder. Okay, I think it's, you understand this. And then you can write here anything. Yeah, it's a basic folder structure. And also you can change the layout from here. Okay, you can change the layout. It's easy, so no problem here. I just make it default, my, sorry guys. Oh yeah, so this is my default layout. And yeah, you can see here, these are the some button. Yeah, it's very important, terminal. here you can access your CMD, command from terminal of your operating system. Okay, so it's a terminal, and then it is nothing, and it's a file. You can create new window, new file, new text. Also you can write your text file, so no problem. Yeah, and then yeah, it's need to important, go to extension. Yeah, it's a extension, and go to extension and first search code runner. Code runner, code runner, sorry, uh runner, yeah, this one, code runner. You can see here it's code runner John Han. Okay, I don't know my pronunciation is right or not, like. Okay, so it's a John Han, and you can see run C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby. Yeah, it's can run anything. So just install this code, and yeah, you can now like now we can run anything. Okay, but before it, it's important to if you want to run Java, so here is a like Java, like I go to extension and like just search this name, whatever language you want to run. Just like I want to run Java, say Java compiler. Yeah, like search only Java. Okay, not compiler, just search Java, like just search Java, you can get it. Yeah, just like install it, so you can run now Java. If you want to run C, just search C, you can get it. Wait, uh sorry, C, write C++ because I think it's needed C++. Right, C++. Yeah, C on C++ runner. Okay, so yeah, code runner is also useful, and you can also download this. So you can just search this name of your language, and you can now, right, so run. So I'll be meet you in next video. Goodbye, and like.